Our token will get a few hours, and I will give you 100% guarantee to after a few hours, my brother, they will give you a positive change occur. They will rise up and they will give you a very huge profit. Now, my friend, why I tell you this? Because the volume. When I see the volume, my friends, definitely I starting research more about lever to how much possibilities to lever will rise up. So when I, my friends, start research, definitely I found the lever token team, and definitely they are starting collaboration with other companies. So my friends, nobody can know, my friends, to how much they will rise up and how much possibilities, my friend, to they will wake up. But I will give you the 100% guarantee to my prediction. My research is going to be right now, and you will be like a very good profit from lever. But keep watch this video to which time you will need to buy, which time you will need to sell to get a profit. This was a free signal. So for more free signals and price prediction videos, just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Okay, just click on the subscribe, man. Okay, look at the price change occur 10%. If it will change occur negative, so from last 24 hours, just in all the, my friend. But if we look in last 1 week, definitely, my friends, they will take a very huge pump, but after a short pump they will very badly crash down. So therefore I tell you to, this is too high risky. If you are trade now in this currency, definitely you are trading very high and very high amount and very high, my friend, percentage risky currency. So this time if we look, my friend, the resistance line, so it will crash down from resistance line a lot of time. But my brother, you can see here, no just they will pumps up, my friend, and not get pumps to, my friends, they will hit the highest point. But shortly if we see, my friends, so from last 24 hours, remember to after a jump every currency will rise up and pumps up. So that's why I tell you to 100% possibilities to lever will rise up and give you a very huge profit. So the my friend, second research my about lever was, my friend, clearly this to their starting collaboration with, I think possible, my friends, they were starting collaboration with Amazon and also, my friends, some more companies. But my friend, if they were starting collaboration, remember to they will make you millionaire. So the huge opportunity to get a very huge profit from lever, don't miss this opportunity and get very huge profit. See you next time, guys. My prediction is going positive. What's your prediction? Tell me in the comment box, and see you next time. Hope you enjoy the video.